Yo guys, what's up? Here at SoFi today, looking at getting some free crypto. I have $120 in rewards. You guys could do this too if you want to. It's pretty easy to do. And you can get all this free money. $1.20. Woo! Okay, so it's not going to change my life. Okay, big deal. But, hey, it's better than nothing, right? Just for using SoFi and doing a couple of banking things, logging in, alright, doing a couple things here. You can see I did a recurring crypto coin purchase of at least $10. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Systematically investing into Bitcoin. The banking, they got checking and savings accounts. Paying 2% interest, that's actually pretty decent right now. Not bad, you can see. Alright, SoFi also has this credit card. Pretty good deal. I like the credit card a lot. I haven't actually used it a whole lot yet. I used it a little bit here and there and earned some rewards with it. But here is the good deal. Look, get $100. Wow. Alright, so get the link below and wow, we can both get $100. You guys get $100 if you... That's a pretty sweet deal. Now here is the investing section. I'm just kind of doing a little bit here just to test it out. This is a little update. I've been doing this for quite a while now actually. Let's go into the account. You can see all. I started way back here. It's not going to let me say. But it's been a couple years or so. You can see that dip there was that March 2020 dip that the big market took a hit. You can see it did dip, just like everything else, all right? But look at that, 39.36 all-time return. Wow, you just can't beat that, right? So if I would have added a zero onto there, that would be even better, or a couple zeros. So hopefully you guys have taken advantage of this. If not, get SoFi. It's a pretty good deal. It's easy for the automatic millionaire investing. If you guys haven't seen that review, go check out that book review, Automatic Millionaire. And I Want to Teach You to Get Rich by Ramit Sethi. It's a pretty good one too. A little bit of comedy in that one. That's pretty cool. So anyway, if you guys want to do this, use my referral link, and you can get $50 for just opening an account here. Pretty cool. And be automatic millionaire. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure you guys subscribe and join the channel for real-time stock updates in my private stock group. Thanks for watching.